Dal Indian Lentil Curry. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons, 30 grams ghee, or 1 tablespoon oil plus 1 tablespoon/15 grams butter. 2 green cayenne chilies, deseeded and cut into chunks. 1 medium brown or yellow onion, finely chopped. 6 garlic cloves, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger, finely chopped. 8 fresh curry leaves, or 6 dried. 1 tomato, chopped. Half a teaspoon ground cumin. 1 cup dried chana dal, yellow split peas or other yellow lentils. 4 cups, 1 liter water. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/8 of a teaspoon garam marsala. 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1½ tablespoon, 20 grams ghee, or half each butter plus oil. 1 eschalot or 1/4 small onion, halved lengthways and sliced. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Half a teaspoon black mustard seeds. 3 dried chilies, broken in half, seeds removed. Fresh coriander, cilantro sprigs. Steamed basmati rice. Instructions: soak lentils, rinse lentils and leave to soak in plenty of water for 1 hour. Drain in colander. Heat ghee, oil in a heavy based saucepan over high heat. Add green chilies and fry for a minute until starting to blister. Add onions and fry until softened. Lower heat to medium. Add garlic, ginger and curry leaves. Cook for 1 minute until garlic starts to turn golden and smells amazing. Add tomatoes and cumin. Cook until tomatoes start to break down and thicken to a paste, about 2 minutes. Add lentils, water, turmeric and salt. Stir, bring to simmer, cover and simmer gently for 1 hour. Stir 2 or 3 times during the hour. Remove lid and simmer gently for 30 minutes to thicken, stirring every now and then. The dal is ready when it has a consistency like porridge. Some lentils should be intact but some have broken down to thicken the sauce. Stir through garam masala at the end. Adjust salt if desired. Pour over tadka, if using, and stir through. Serve dal over rice, garnished with a sprig of coriander if desired. Tadka, sizzling spices. Heat ghee in a small pan over medium heat until hot but not smoking. Add cumin and mustard seeds, stir until cumin is slightly golden. Then add chilies and cook for 20 seconds, then add eschalots and cook until tinged with gold. Immediately pour into dal.